Hello students, very good morning. All of you are warmly welcome in this YouTube channel that is planned to provide you online classes of ML Government Group of Schools. Uh, Students, as we know that nowadays we are working with the short composition in your writing section, and in this sequence we have completed your advertisement writing. um, and in advertisement writing we have done both type of advertisements, that is classified advertisements, and that was the next was the display advertisements. In the same sequence we are moving towards, and one more we have done, that was the poster composition. After advertisements and poster we are going to take up the next topic from today, and that is notice drafting. Very simple and very main question that rise over here is, what is a notice? Because you must have observed various notices in your life since you are in school. So in schools also you have seen various notices that are issued from the school management and the school administration. So what is a notice? Notice क्या है? So a notice is a short, formal type of composition. So, two things, it is short composition and formal composition. It is used to announce meetings, events, tours, camps, exhibitions, fairs, etc. Whatever is planned or whatever going to take place in the institution, that is informed to the members or the students or the various working agents of the institution, and for this purpose we draft, I mean the school administration drafts a notice. So in other words we can understand the notice drafting, that a notice is a written or printed news और अनाउंसमेंट और इंफॉर्मेशन. एक नोटिस जो होती है एक लिखित या फिर प्रिंटेड न्यूज़ होती है, अनाउंसमेंट होती है या फिर इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. अ नोटिस मे कंटेन न्यूज़ और इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट समथिंग दैट हैज़ हैपेंड और इज लाइकली टू हैपन. मीन्ट इसमें उन चीज़ों को भी इन जो है इसके माध्यम से इन्फॉर्म करते हैं या न्यूज़ के रूप में दिखाते हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, जो हो चुका है उसको बताने के लिए, या फिर जो होने वाला है, जो प्लान है होने के लिए, उसको दिखाने के लिए भी हम लोग नोटिस ड्राफ्ट करते हैं. इट मे बी अ फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ पब्लिक इम्पोर्टेंस. Don't take it as maybe, because it is a formal announcement of public importance or an advance warning meant for compliance and information. A notice can be about a meeting. ये किसी मीटिंग होने वाली मीटिंग की जानकारी आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, किसी इवेंट की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, किसी एक्सकर्जन की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, किसी हिस्टोरिकल ट्रिप की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, किसी पिकनिक की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, कोई चीज़ खो गया है या कुछ आपको मिला है, आपको अपना नाम चेंज कराना है, एड्रेस चेंज कराना है, या फिर यूनिफॉर्म, टाइमिंग्स, वेन्यू एक्सेट्रा, इन सब के बारे में रिगार्डिंग these all matters notices are drafted. So in this way I think you are now well versed with notice. कि नोटिस क्या है? नोटिस एक रिटेन पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट है जो कि किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन के द्वारा अपने उस संस्था में काम करने वाले मेंबर्स, स्टाफ मेंबर्स या फिर और जो वेरियस एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन देने के लिए पब्लिकली निकाली जाती है, इशू की जाती है और इसे नोटिस बोर्ड पे डिस्प्ले किया जाता है. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दैट राइज ओवर हियर इज व्हाट आर द पर्पसेस ऑफ राइटिंग a notice. So notices are effective means of disseminating information related to different issues or occasions. They reach a large number of people in a short time. Hence, a notice is written in simple, please mind, simple and formal language. It is clear, brief and to the point. नोटिसेस क्लियर होती हैं, ब्रीफ होती हैं, कम से कम होती हैं, इसीलिए एग्जामिनेशंस में आपको वर्ड लिमिट दी जाती है कि आपको नोटिस कितने वर्ड्स में ड्राफ्ट करनी है, 50 वर्ड में ड्राफ्ट करनी है. एंड टू द पॉइंट और टू द पॉइंट होती है. ये क्या करती है? इट प्रोवाइड्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट एन इवेंट, फंक्शन और सेलिब्रेशन. किसी इवेंट, किसी फंक्शन या किसी सेलिब्रेशन की इंफॉर्मेशन देती है. और एक्सटेंड इनविटेशन, किसी जो है फंक्शन में इनविटेशन देने के लिए, कोई वार्निंग इशू करने के लिए या फिर अवेयरनेस, जनरल अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करने के लिए. सो टू एक्सटेंड इनविटेशन, टू इशू अ वार्निंग और स्प्रेड general awareness. To fulfill these all purposes, a notice is drafted. इन सब की पर इन सारे पर्पसेस को पूरा करने के लिए नोटिस ड्राफ्ट की जाती हैं. इनको डिस्प्ले कहाँ किया जाता है? इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. एज वी हैव सीन अप टू नाउ, वी हैव डन एडवर्टिजमेंट्स. एडवर्टिजमेंट्स का डिस्प्ले कहाँ होता था? दैट वॉज डिस्प्लेड इन अ न्यूज़पेपर और इन अ मैगजीन. पोस्टर्स वर डिस्प्लेड एट मार्केट प्लेस और एट द प्लेसेस वेयर पब्लिक may see it. And this, notice is displayed on the notice board of the school or the institution. So very first point, two places of display. First point, school or college notice boards. Second display point is newspapers or magazines. Sometimes we try to spread our such news, whatever we want to spread in a larger community. In that condition, we give this in a newspaper or magazine also. And public notice boards. और हाँ, कभी कभार पब्लिक नोटिस बोर्ड्स पे भी इसको हम डिस्प्ले करते हैं. आफ्टर दिस वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट आर द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ notice. So students, as we all know that each and every writing section topics are each and every question in the writing section is mainly classified into three classes. Divided into three parts. Whatever marks are to be awarded to you in the examination, that mark is divided into three parts. तीन भाग में आपके नंबर्स को बांटा जाता है. ऐसा हम सभी जानते हैं कि ये आपकी नोटिस ये 4 नंबर में पूछी जाती है. इट इज आस्क्ड इन 4 मार्क्स. सो योर मार्क्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स: फॉर्मेट, कंटेंट एंड एक्सप्रेशन. फॉर्मेट पे आपके पास 1 मार्क्स, And in format includes the word notice, date, heading, writer's name, designation, and at the top the name of the institution. इन सब ये सब चीज़ें आपके फॉर्मेट में शामिल होती हैं. अगर आपने इनमें से कोई एक चीज़ नहीं दिया, आई मीन सबसे ऊपर इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम नहीं दिया, या नोटिस वर्ड नहीं लिखा, या फिर हेडिंग नहीं दिया, डेट नहीं दिया, राइटर्स नेम या डिजिग्नेशन, या फिर उसका सिग्नेचर भी कभी अक्सर रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. सिग्नेचर की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है, अक्सर की बात नहीं कर रहा, हर समय पड़ती है. कुछ एक नोटिस को छोड़ दे तो ठीक है. तो इन सब चीज़ों को यहाँ पे शामिल किया जाता है. क्या क्या? नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन, नोटिस, डेट, हेडिंग, सिग्नेचर, writer's name and designation. So 1 mark is for format, 2 marks for content. In content you have to give all the information for which the notice has been drafted, like what, when, where, how, etc. And 1 mark is for the expression. It relates to the overall organization and relevance of the content as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. इसमें जो है आपकी नोटिस का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कंटेंट का रिलेवेंस, ग्रामेटिकल एक्यूरेसी और फ्लुएंसी, ये सारे पॉइंट शामिल होते हैं. सो दीज आर द 3 पार्ट्स इन विच द मार्क्स ऑफ नोटिस इज divided. After this we are to move towards the next point that is very important for you, that is guidelines. कुछ एक पॉइंट्स जो कि आपको गाइड करेंगे जो है नोटिस ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए. सो वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट, it must contain complete information, carefully include all the essential details, especially about the date, time and venue and of the event. So try to give each and everything whatever is required. You have to pay attention over the word limit also, because your words should not exceed 50 words, but try to give within 50 words all the essential information. जो भी इसेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो केयरफुली सारी की सारी यहाँ पे इंक्लूड करिए. इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू ऑफ द इवेंट, दीज ऑल पॉइंट्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज डोंट फॉरगेट टू मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन. यस, एट द टॉप, एज आई टोल्ड यू, at the top you are supposed to give the name of the institution. And one thing that is very important to be noted over here, don't try to start writing notice just at once in the fair. Just try to make a rough draft before finalizing. नोटिस को फाइनलाइज करने के पहले एक बार रफ ड्राफ्टिंग करिए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज बी फैक्चुअल, प्रिसाइज and straightforward. Here you are not to beat the bush or to talk about here and there. You are supposed to be to the point, straightforward. You are supposed to be precise and factual. आपको फैक्चुअल होना है, आपको यहाँ वहाँ की इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देनी है, सीधे जो काम की बातें हैं वही करनी है, प्रिसाइज पे में. डोंट ऐड एनी इररिलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन रिलेवेंट नहीं हो उनको वहाँ पे इंक्लूड नहीं करना है, उनको नहीं दिखाना है. अवॉइड बीइंग पर्सनल. यस, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू बी पर्सनल ओवर हियर. यूज इम्पर्सनल लैंग्वेज. एंड इन इम्पर्सनल लैंग्वेज, टू बी इम्पर्सनल mean third person you have to use. Avoid I and you and try to write it in passive voice. Okay, these all points are the some very important points that will help you to be impersonal. Next important point is the order of presentation. The order of presentation should be clear and state the purpose of notice clearly. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. आप नोटिस किस लिए लिख रहे हैं, नोटिस लिखने का पर्पस क्या है, वो एकदम क्लियरली स्टेट होना चाहिए वहाँ पे. एंड content should include all necessary information. For example, अगर हम किसी मीटिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो मीटिंग में टाइम, वेन्यू, डेट, एजेंडा, ये सारी पॉइंट्स क्लियर होनी चाहिए. इन द सेम वे अगर हम किसी एक्सकर्जन के लिए नोटिस ड्राफ्ट कर रहे हैं तो बहुत ही क्लियर होना चाहिए कि जो एक्सकर्जन का ट्रिप है, वो टूर है, वो किस डेट से किस डेट तक रहेगा, या फिर कौन कौन से प्लेसेस पे आप जाएंगे, कैसे जाएंगे, मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या रहेगा, कहाँ कहाँ पे स्टे करेंगे, या फिर कितना खर्च आएगा. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ही क्लियरली मेंशन होनी चाहिए इन द नोटिस. एंड वन थिंग मोर, यूज सिंपल एंड करेक्ट इंग्लिश. आपको इंग्लिश जो लिखनी है उसे वो इंग्लिश सिंपल होनी चाहिए और करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. गिव द डिजिग्नेशन ऑफ द राइटर जस्ट बिलो द सिग्नेचर. यस, सिग्नेचर लिखा, सिग्नेचर के नीचे आप नाम लिखेंगे, वहाँ पर उसके बाद सिग्नेचर के बाद आपका डिजिग्नेशन होगा, फिर आपका जो है वो डिजिग्नेशन should be written just below the signature. Okay, now the date of writing notice is generally put at the top. Yes, I will tell you where to write the date. Observe the word limit. Be very careful. Observe the word limit. If you exceed it, you will get a negative mark. And one very important point, you are supposed to put the notice in a box. नोटिस को बॉक्स में रखना नहीं भूलें. एंड आफ्टर फाइनलाइजिंग इट, प्लीज गो थ्रू इट एंड रिवाइज इट वंस. इसको फाइनलाइज करने के पहले एक बार, ऐसे आप जब फाइनलाइज कर चुके हैं, एक बार रिवाइज कर लीजिए, कहीं छोटी मिस्टेक छूट न जाए. ओके, सो दीज आर द मेन पॉइंट्स. Now after these all points, we are moving towards the very important section of notice drafting, that is the value point. Because as we all know that there are various types of notices. Sometimes we are composing a notice for to give information regarding meeting or events, sometimes about tours or camps, or sometimes about exhibition or fairs, these all things. So we are supposed to give the different value points in the different type of notices. We are going to discuss over here the value points in different type of notices. So very first point, we are taking the meeting. If we are going to write a notice regarding a meeting, for meeting you are supposed to give date, time, place, agenda, purpose or intention or objective, who are to attend this meeting, additional information if you have any, and contact address. These all information is supposed to be given in a notice regarding any meeting. If the meeting is regarding any event, in that condition, name of the event, objective and occasion of the event, date, time, duration, and the activities what are to be included in that event, place, who can take part or how to register, if there are some prizes, उनको आप वहाँ पे जो है इंक्लूड करिए. Then additional information if any, and at last contact address. If the notice is regarding lost and found, in that condition, name of the object / article lost or found, date, time, place, specific marks for identification, and that is to be asked in case of found. Okay, अगर आपको कोई चीज़ मिली है और आप को उसके बारे में इन्फॉर्म करना है, तो आप ये बताएंगे, ये पूछेंगे कि आप जो भी इस चीज़ को लेने के लिए आएगा वो इन सब बातों उसके जो है स्पेसिफिक मार्क्स ऑफ आइडेंटिफिकेशन बताएगा. जबकि अगर आपका कोई सामान खो गया है तब आप उस कंडीशन में स्पेसिफिक मार्क्स पर आइडेंटिफिकेशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे, देंगे। दोनों में डिफरेंस होगा। ओके, लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड के केस में, लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड के केस में। एंड एट लास्ट whom to contact, when to contact and where to contact. Next is regarding exhibitions on and fairs: name, duration, place or venue, time, date, entry fee, and contact address. These all to be. Now, if the notice is regarding the change of name, in that concern, you are supposed to give direct information: present name, father's name, address, new name, and reason or cause of the change, etc. If the notice is regarding the tours and camps, in that condition, name of the club or association that is organizing that tour or camp or excursion, name of the destination or destinations, कहाँ कहाँ जाएंगे आप, ड्यूरेशन कब से कब तक, फ्रॉम टू, वेन्यू, ओकेजन, ऑब्जेक्टिव, इंटेंशन और इन्विटेशन। ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है आपके इस टूर का, इंटेंशन क्या है या इन्विटेशन देना चाहेंगे तो, एस्टिमेटेड एक्सपेंडिचर कितना है, एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अगर कोई है। लेकिन ध्यान रखिएगा आपको वर्ड लिमिट के अंदर ही रहना है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अ फॉर्मेट ऑफ नोटिस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन. Just below the name of the institution, you are supposed to give notice word. You have to write down notice word, then date in the left hand corner, and heading as subject, and then you are required to give the this content, and at last signature, name, and designations. These all points you are supposed to mention. This is a format and you are required to note down these all points, whatever are given, whatever being told over here, that you must mention. So students, go through this format once again more clearly. Don't make any mistake. Okay, first once again I am telling you the format. First of all, you are required to give name of the institution. After that, you are supposed to write the word notice in the next line, central point. In the next line, left hand side, date, and the next line in the central point, heading or subject, and then contents, after that signature, then name in block letter, and at last designation. This is a proper format and you are required to follow it. After talking about format and these all points, we are moving towards the next point, that is to give some of the examples for you, sample notices that will be helpful for you to draft notice. One question that has been shown over here is the Green Club of your school, Excelsior Public School, Patiala, is organizing a 2-day tree plantation drive on the 1 Mahotsav day on 5th and 6th July 2000 some date. You or Nitin or Sudha, secretary of the club, write a notice involving the students to take part in the plantation drive. So this is the question for you. वन महोत्सव के दौरान जो है आपका स्कूल 2 दिन के लिए जो है ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्राइव शुरू कर रहा है, उसके रिगार्डिंग आपको एक नोटिस ड्राफ्ट करनी है. So for this question you are supposed to give the notice in this way. First of all, you can see there is name of the institution, that is Excelsior Public School, Patiala. In the next line, central point, notice. This word is to be written, notice. And then in the next line, date, that is showing over here. And in the next line, tree plantation drive. And then you are to give the content. The Green Club of the school is organizing a 2-day tree plantation drive on the Van Mahotsav day on 5th and 6th July 2019 from 8 am to 10 am daily on each day. All the students are invited to take part in this drive and plant as many trees as possible in the school grounds. Then Sudha signature, then Sudha name in the capital letter, and at last your designation, Secretary, Green Club. So in this way, whatever a format was given to you, you can see it. The contents also has been given as per the value points. One more question is over here for you. As manager of the cable car company Mussoorie, write a notice for the tourists announcing that the cable car will not run due to necessary repairs for a week. So this you have to write down. You are to show yourself as the manager of the cable car company Mussoorie. So you can see over here at the top, name of the institution has been given, or name of the company, that is Cable Car Company Mussoorie. Then word notice, this side date, then heading attention tourists, and information. We announce with regret that the cable car is going up the Gun Hill from the Mall Road, Mussoorie, will not run due to necessary repair work for a week from 1st to 7 June 2019. We regret the inconvenience and disappointment to our worthy clients. Thank you, R.K. Sharma. First of all, signature, then name, at last designation, manager. Here one more example for you. Sample notice for you. As secretary, social club of your school, draft a notice about a medical checkup camp being organized in the school, requesting the students to avail the golden opportunity. Your Karuna / Sandeep, word limit 50 words. So here name of the school was not given. So if the name of the school has not been given, you can give any school's name, but it must not be yours. You can show XYZ public school or ABC public school in this way. Here Government Senior Secondary School Noida, name of the institution, then notice, word notice, then date, and here the subject or heading, medical checkup camp. A free medical checkup camp for the students class wise is being arranged by our school in the collaboration with the medical and paramedical staff of the local civil hospital from 5th to 14th May 2000 something. The students are requested to avail this golden opportunity to save themselves from any danger to their health. The details may be got from the undersigned, signature, name, designation, in this way. Now one more sample. As Secretary, Green Club of R.K. Senior Secondary School, Faridabad, draft a notice about a week-long cleanliness drive as part of Swachh Bharat campaign launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in your school. Tell the students about various programs and request for an active participation in the campaign. Your Lakshman or Radha, word limit 50 words. So you can see over here at the top, name of the school, R.K. Senior Secondary School, Faridabad. In the next line, word notice, date, heading, a week-long cleanliness drive. As part of Swachh Bharat campaign of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a week-long cleanliness drive is being launched in our school from 10th to 17th April 2000 something. All the students are expected to take part in the thorough cleaning of the classrooms, lawns, and playgrounds, etc. The program includes formal inauguration by the principal, classwise cleanliness campaigns, tree plantation, and prize distribution. The interested students who want to lead the drive should meet their class teachers. And after that, signature Lakshman, then your name in the block letter and your designation Secretary Green Club. In this way, one more sample that can be very useful for you. Your school is going to organize a talent search competition. Draft a notice in about 50 words inviting the students to take part in various items such as debate, poetry recitation, skits, fashion show, folk dances and songs, etc. You are Suman Ablik Valvinder, head girl head boy of DAB Public School, Adampur. So, a very nice question it is, and something different from others. So, students, first of all, you can see there is the name of the institution, that is DAB Public School, Adampur. In the next line, word notice, then date. Please see the position of date very carefully, okay? Don't make mistake in this. Date. And then talent search competition. The school is going to hold a talent search competition to enable the students to show their hidden talents. The students are invited to take part in such items as debate, poetry, recitation, poetry recitation, skits, fashion show, folk dances and songs. Those who are interested should consult the EMA in charge, Mr. R.K. Gupta. And after that signature, then name in the capital letter, head girl. One more sample notice for you. The Sports Club of Guru Nanak Dev Public School, Pathankot, is planning to organize a hiking trekking expedition in Nepal. Invent details and draft the notice about the event in not more than 50 words. So, it's again a notice. So, very first point you can see the name of the institution, Guru Nanak Dev Public School, Pathankot. In the next line, notice. Please mind the position of date, 2nd May 2000 something. And then the subject, a hiking trekking expedition. The sports club of the school is planning a hiking trekking expedition in Nepal for a fortnight from 20th May 2000 something. Such each participants will have to deposit rupees 2000, which includes boarding and lodging. Those who are interested should give their names to the undersigned and deposit the fee by 10th May 2000 something. The list of items required will be provided at the time of registration. And you can see over here, signature Rahul, name in capital letter Rahul, and then the designation. One more sample. Your Sonia Sharma, Secretary, Devi Dayal Mathematical Society of your school, draft a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in a mathematics quiz to be held in your school. So here again you can see name of the institution has not been given, so you give you may write out any. St. Joseph Public School, Ludhiana. And then in next line, notice here date, position of date. I'm telling you in each and every position of date you must take attention. Now mathematics quiz, that is subject. A mathematics quiz is going to be organized by Devi Dayal Mathematical Society on March 2000 something at 10 a.m. In the school auditorium. Students of class 11th and 12th can participate in it. Those students who are interested in participating should give their names to the Understein latest by 17th March. Sonia. So, first of all, you can see over here it is the signature, then name, then secretary Devi Dayal Mathematical Society. And at the last, one more sample. It is regarding lost and found. So you are Meenakshi / Manish of Hansraj Public School, Kurukshetra. You have lost your wristwatch. Write notice about it in not more than 50 words. So you can see over here, it is the name of the school, Hansraj Public School, Kurukshetra. Then word notice, then date, watch lost, it is the heading. An HMT wristwatch with gold chain has been lost in the playground at about 11 a.m. today. Its dial is golden in color and rectangular in shape. The finder should contact the Understein. He will be suitably rewarded. Signature Manish, name in capital letter, and then class has been given. So in this way, students, I have tried to give you each and everything regarding notice. You are supposed to go through all the points very well and note down all the required points from this lecture. Each and everything that has been given is very important, so write down everything in your copy. All the samples, format, value points, and other things. These all points are you have to include in your notes and do the homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.